What's going on, guys? Steve with Adventure Off-Road X, and today we're doing a 60-second spotlight of the TemboTusk Scottle. All right, guys, so everything you get in the bag is your Scottle here. You get a 10,000 BTU burner, a set of legs. This is a add-on. It's a wind deflector and a top and a heavy-duty bag. All right, guys, when you get your kit, it's super simple to put together. Take your burner, your piece here that holds the burner in. All you're gonna do is put your twist knobs in. Wind deflector, your legs. At fully collapsed, they're 20 inches. At the first notch, they're 29 inches. And at the last notch, 36 inches. All you do. All right, guys, here it is. Fully assembled TemboTusk. If you guys are interested in it, get online. Use our code AOX at checkout. Save you a little bit of money. Also be on the lookout. We have a video coming out between a store-bought versus a DIY project. See you Sunday.